Good morning everyone. So today we are doing some archery. We're at the Southern Cross Archery Club, just walking up there. So I met Dave through a Facebook group and he invited me to come over. It's quite a drive for us, it was 45 minutes because it's on the other side of Melbourne and it's just here. David. He has been doing archery for over 8 years. He shoots and teaches at the Southern Cross Archery Club. He also runs a YouTube channel called NU Sensei. So if you're interested in archery, go give it a shot.
Okay. Alright, so right elbow, good cheek, no further thumbs up, basically quite step. Okay, perfect. Bottom of the target and let it go. There we go. Good.
So I have done it before, yep, but not with this thing. So I don't know how this is. So for those who are wondering why I'm shooting the other way around, I am right-handed, but my left eye is very, very dominant. So I have to shoot with a left-handed bow because otherwise I wouldn't hit the target at all. So they give you some protection, so I have a arm guard and one for my fingers. I haven't used these before at all. It's quite nice. I've shot bow before, mostly at fairs, where you just pay a certain amount of money to shoot 5-hour arrows or something like that. So I haven't had like much teaching in it, but I've shot a fair few arrows, but never with these. These are very nice. Hurt your fingers a lot less. Lift my hair with it.
I'll be that super annoying guy who always stands right in front of the camera. That ruins the entire shot. I know how YouTubers work.
It's more screen time.
I know, right?
Product placement.
Yeah, I should have worn my merch and so, you know,
stand right in front
there you
of
go.
Yeah.
And plus, like, most people are better at art. Yeah, no, well, upper body strength in general, but yeah. If you're feeling it like here, that's when you've done it right. That bird would be like here. If you're birding like here, yeah, that's the way to train up. Get it up like that. So lift it up first, and then put it straight back. So no golf swings or tennis swings.
And no Hollywood.
Yeah.
I've done sword fighting for years. And one of the things that you learn beginners first is it's not like the movies. Not like the movies. So we're all done now. It was really fun. I had a little competition at the end. I lost the first one majorly and then I actually did pretty well on the second one. My camera died halfway through because I've been filming so much, so sorry about that. Also, battle scars. But yeah, so a little bit there. A lot there. Ouch. If you guys want to check out, Dave has a channel as well. I'll link it down below. And if you are in Melbourne, you can check out the club. They do sessions on Saturday from 10 to 12 for anyone who wants to join in. It's $20 for 2 hours. It's pretty good. And other than that, thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!